Good evening, students. Today we are going to see the next part of the semiconductor, that is p-type semiconductor. Yesterday we have seen n-type semiconductor, okay, in which the addition of pentavalent impurity into the pure, or I can say intrinsic semiconductor. When pentavalent impurity is added into the intrinsic semiconductor, then that intrinsic semiconductor becomes n-type semiconductor. When pentavalent impurity is added, and also we have discussed yesterday, pentavalent impurity is nothing but the phosphorus. There are a number of examples given in the book. Out of that, we have taken only one example, that is the phosphorus, having 5 valence electrons in the outermost orbit. Out of these 5 valence electrons of the phosphorus, 4 valence electrons of phosphorus makes the covalent bond with the 4 neighboring silicon atoms, and remaining 1 extra electron of the phosphorus easily available for the conduction. And when the voltage is applied, the electric field is present across the particular phosphorus doped silicon. Then number of electrons breaks the bond passing through the circuit, which will produces the electric current. At the same time, the available free electron, that will also increase the current across the circuit. So I can say conductivity of n-type semiconductor will increase. Conductivity of intrinsic semiconductor, it is a fixed or it is a low, but it will increase when we add a pentavalent impurity. Due to addition of this pentavalent impurity into the pure semiconductor, it becomes a extrinsic semiconductor. मग n-type semiconductor मध्ये extra electron available for the conduction. That's why conductivity will increase. Why? Because there was one condition: number of electrons greater than number of holes. This is the case for n-type semiconductor. This is the case for n-type semiconductor. Now we are going to see p-type semiconductor. When the semiconductor becomes n-type, addition of pentavalent impurity, okay, then intrinsic semiconductor becomes n-type semiconductor. Now we see p-type semiconductor. How to define this p-type semiconductor? When a trivalent impurity is added to intrinsic semiconductor. Trivalent impurity is added to intrinsic semiconductor. Then what happens? Then the semiconductor, intrinsic semiconductor, becomes p-type semiconductor. How to define p-type semiconductor? When trivalent impurity added into the intrinsic semiconductor, then that intrinsic semiconductor becomes extrinsic, or I can say p-type semiconductor. So addition of trivalent impurity, earlier addition of pentavalent impurity in n-type semiconductor. Pentavalent impurity in semiconductor. Pentavalent means outermost orbit contains 5 valence electron, and its example is said to be phosphorus. Out of that, 4 phosphorus atom makes the bond. 1 extra electron available for conduction. That's why conductivity increases. हा कसा चार्ट काढला बघा. n टाइप म्हणजे काय? ॲडिशन ऑफ पेंटाव्हॅलेंट इम्प्युरिटी म्हणजे 5 व्हॅलेन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आउट ऑफ 5. Example is phosphorus. Out of 5, 4 valence electrons of the phosphorus makes the bond. 1 extra electron, which will easily produce the current, means conductivity of the n-type semiconductor will increase. That is for the n-type semiconductor. Okay. Now p-type. How to define p-type semiconductor? When trivalent impurity, म्हणजेच काय? Whose outermost orbit contains 3 valence electrons. Okay, added, then intrinsic semiconductor becomes extrinsic semiconductor. The example of trivalent impurity is aluminium. Aluminium having 3 valence electrons, having 3 valence electrons. Then how these 3 valence electron makes the bond and how the extra hole is created, that we are going to see in this case. Earlier what was the condition? Silicon is, मी डायग्राम कशी काढतो, अशी काढतो किंवा अशी काढतो, नो प्रॉब्लेम. Silicon is bonding with the neighboring silicon, with the neighboring silicon. This is the actual bonding between the silicons. Okay, 4 valence electrons of silicon makes the covalent bond with the neighboring silicon atoms. This is the actual structure. But what we are adding? We are adding a trivalent impurity. So after addition of this trivalent impurity into this pure semiconductor, this becomes p type. हा प्युअर आहे, याच्यामध्ये अॅल्युमिनियम ऍड करायचा म्हणजे हा काय होणार आहे? p type semiconductor. Okay, so let us see how this aluminum is added. When aluminum is added, it is connected to the silicon like this. Okay, connected to silicon. So silicon of their electrons, valence electrons. Aluminum च्या valence orbit मध्ये किती इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहेत? valence shell मध्ये किती इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहेत? 3. So 3 electrons are there for the particular aluminum. Okay, one aluminum electron, valence electron, makes the bond with the neighboring silicon. Second aluminum electron makes the bond with the neighboring silicon. Third aluminum electron makes the bond with the aluminum. म्हणजे 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन झाले ना. Aluminum having 3 valence electron. 3 valence electron makes the covalent bond with the neighboring silicon. Then what happens to this bonding silicon? Okay, 3 याच्यामध्ये बघा बॉन्डिंग क्रिएट करायला काय पाहिजे इथं? ओके, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पाहिजेत. बट 3 valence electrons are making bond with the 3 neighboring silicon. One hole is created. होल असेल तर इथे इलेक्ट्रॉन येणार आहे. If there is a hole, then electron will shift here. How? Let us see. Let us see here. This is the neighboring silicon ना. इथला इलेक्ट्रॉन इथे येऊ शकतो कधी जर इथे होल असेल तर. Because what is the hole? It is the vacancy of electron. Electron इथे आहे. It is shifting from its one place to next place. Its vacancy created as a hole and electron is present here. So this is the vacancy of electron. Again, this vacancy is fulfilled by the neighboring electrons. So whenever there is a vacancy, that vacancy is fulfilled by the electrons. Means there is a creation of the hole whose vacancy or that hole is filled by the neighboring electron when we apply some voltage across the circuit. Okay. So extra hole is created. Extra hole is created means what? Extra hole created means positive charge is created. Okay, but ही vacancy कोण भरणार आहे? Neighboring electron. हा असाच जंप करून इथे येईल का? Is it moving easily to this hole? No. You have to supply some voltage. Then electron breaks the bond and then jump into the vacancy of electron. That is called as a hole. When after supplying some voltage, electron breaks the bond. And when electrons under motion from right to left, current flows across the circuit from left to right. कारण तुम्हाला माहिती आहे ज्या डायरेक्शनला इलेक्ट्रॉनचा फ्लो असतो त्याच्या बरोबर अपोजिट डायरेक्शनला काय असतो? करंटचा फ्लो. आणि हे आपण डिस्कस केलेलं आहे. दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. आणि ज्या डायरेक्शनला इलेक्ट्रॉन त्याच्या बरोबर अपोजिट डायरेक्शनला कोण असतो? करंट. ज्या डायरेक्शनला करंट त्या डायरेक्शनला काय असतो? डायरेक्शन ऑफ द होल्स. बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रॉन इकडून इकडे आला, होल कुठे गेला? इकडे गेला. इकडचा इलेक्ट्रॉन इकडे येणार आहे, होल कुठे जाणार? पुढे जाणार आहे. सो इलेक्ट्रॉन मूव्हिंग फ्रॉम राईट टू लेफ्ट, holes are shifting from left to right. So this is the final figure you should keep in mind. Motion of electron, current motion and motion of hole. हे तुम्ही सारखं लक्षात ठेवायला पाहिजे. हे जर तुम्हाला माहिती नसेल तर पुढचे पाठ आपण या केसमध्ये इझिली डिस्कस करू शकणार नाही. ओके, सो दिस इज द प्युअर सेमीकंडक्टर और आय कॅन से इंट्रिन्सिक सेमीकंडक्टर. ओके, नाउ दिस इज एक्सट्रिन्सिक. याला पी टाइप का म्हणतात. एक्स्ट्रा पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज इज क्रिएटेड इनटू दी मटेरियल. एक्स्ट्रा पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज, that's why such type of semiconductors are called as the positive type semiconductor or p type semiconductor. Is it clear? What is the p type? It is extra positive charge created. That's why it is called as the positive type of semiconductor. मग काल आपण बघितलं होतं ह्या सगळ्या फिगर्स बघितल्या होत्या एन टाइप साठी आणि त्याच्यामध्ये आपण एनर्जी लेवल डायग्राम काढली. Here also we can draw energy level diagram. Here also we can draw energy level diagram. So let us see the energy band diagram for the particular p type semiconductor. काल आपण काय केलं होतं, इलेक्ट्रॉनची एनर्जी लेवल कुठे काढली होती, जस्ट बिलो द कंडक्शन बँड. त्या केसमध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्स्ट्रा होता, या केसमध्ये होल काय एक्स्ट्रा आहे. मग होल कुठे दाखवला, इन द एनर्जी लेवल डायग्राम. हियर इज द valence band and here is the conduction band. Where to show hole? Hole इथं आहे. एनर्जी लेवल डायग्राम मध्ये होल दाखवला होता. Can this hole show the conduction band? No, it is positive charge. Electrons are moving in the conduction band. Holes are not moving in the conduction band. Holes are present in the valence band. कारण का इलेक्ट्रॉन इथला कुठे जातो, वर जातो, त्याची वॅकन्सी इथे काय तयार होते, होल. पण हे होल्स कोणाचे असणार आहेत? Suppose these are the electrons. When these electrons jumps into the conduction band, their vacancy created hole in the valence band. But this is the extra hole. This extra hole is created here, just above the valence band. Each hole has its own energy level. Okay, so this is the energy level for the hole. This is the energy level of the hole present in the p-type semiconductor. So I can write this is the energy level diagram. Energy level diagram for p-type semiconductor where whole energy is just above the valence band. का हे लक्षात घ्या. When we supply some voltage, ती फिगर आपण पुढे काढायची आहे. When we supply some energy, then what happen? Electron breaks the bond. पण होलचा अर्थ काय? इलेक्ट्रॉनची वॅकन्सी. पण इलेक्ट्रॉन पहिला वर जाईल इथे जाईल, इथे येणार आहे. बिकॉज whenever there is a vacancy, electron shift or jump. Electron jump from its own place to the hole and then hole to the conduction band. So what happening? Hole is accepting the electron from valence band. Hole kuda hai just above the valence band. So that hole is accepting electron into its own place and then electron goes into the conduction band. So due to presence of extra hole, number of electrons make the transition and it will produces the electric current. Due to extra holes, number of electrons will have more transition from this place to this place, which will increase the amount of current. कारण का हा फ्री होल आहे, हा कोणाशी बाउंड आहे का नाही. Electrons jumps into here and again goes to the conduction band, and that will increase the conductivity of the particular semiconductor, and it is said to be a p-type semiconductor because here current increases due to extra positive charge. Positive charge. That is an extra hole. So in n-type semiconductor, current produces due to extra electrons, and in p-type semiconductor, current produces due to extra holes. So we are drawing a figure, circuit diagram for this p-type semiconductor. आता या केसमध्ये मी इथं फिगर काढतो, मला म्हणजे फिगर तुम्हाला थोडी समजेल. So let us draw here the circuit diagram for p-type semiconductor. मी इथे काय करतो, हा ॲल्युमिनियम ॲड करतो, इथे कोण आहे सिलिकॉन. ओके, लाईक दिस. So this is the arrangement of circuit. याच्यामध्ये कोण आहे, this is the material of p-type semiconductor. लक्षात घ्या, सिलिकॉन 3 aluminum electrons makes bond with the 3 silicon atoms. Okay, one extra hole is created to increase the current. Okay, one extra hole is created. किंवा इथं पण aluminum म्हणा आणि इथं पण aluminum म्हणा, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही, नो प्रॉब्लेम. silicon when voltage is applied, what happens? Negative, positive voltage applied here and negative voltage applied here. म्हणजे बघा, what happens when voltage is applied? Electric field is set up. Electric field कशा असणार आहे? Always starts from positive to negative. हे तुम्हाला माहिती आहे. Electric field always moving from positive charge and ends to the negative charge. Is it clear? Now what happens with the extra hole? Electron which is present here, this electron receives the energy. This electron receives the energy from the voltage. This electron breaks the bond, immediately comes to this place. Is it clear? Immediately comes to this place. Now what happens? Electron jumping takes place. After jumping, what happens? Current produces. And electron jumping चालले ना, मग इथं इलेक्ट्रॉनची व्हॅलेन्सी काय तयार होणार आहे? होल. अगेन दिस होल इज फिल्ड बाय व्हॉट? हे जो इलेक्ट्रॉन सप्लाय लागला आहे, कुठून? इलेक्ट्रॉन निगेटिव्ह म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रॉन सप्लाय. दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन सप्लाय इथून हा इलेक्ट्रॉन इथे येणार आहे, म्हणजे होल कुठं इकडे येणार आहे. म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रॉन इज हॅव्हिंग जम्पिंग फ्रॉम राईट टू लेफ्ट, होल इज मुव्हिंग फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राईट. हे आपल्याला माहिती आहे. Electron moving from right to left, hole is moving from left to right. So due to the presence of extra holes, jumping probability of electron will increase. मग इथला इलेक्ट्रॉन तर इकडे येणार आहे, इथला होल इकडे जाणार आहे. हा बॉन्ड ब्रेक करून इकडे इलेक्ट्रॉन येणार आहे, होल इकडे जाणार आहे आणि इलेक्ट्रॉन इकडे येणार आहे. सो होल मुव्हिंग टुवर्ड्स राईट, इलेक्ट्रॉन मुव्हिंग टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट. That will increase the current across the particular material. Across the particular material, I am saying particular material means it is a this is the p-type semiconductor. This is the p-type semiconductor. But here we are getting the current, extra current due to extra hole across the particular material, and we are getting more current. Why? Due to extra holes. So I can write here. इथे कसं लिहितो? n type ला Ne इलेक्ट्रॉनची संख्या होल पेक्षा जास्त आहे, इथे होलची संख्या जास्त आहे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पेक्षा. Number of holes greater than number of electron in p-type semiconductor. होलची संख्या जास्त आहे, जेवढे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इथं आहेत, बरोबर, एक्स्ट्रा होल इथे क्रिएट झाले ना. ज्याला इलेक्ट्रॉन इकडे जंप करणार, when electron jump from its hole place to the next place, then hole will increase. But before jumping of electron, extra hole is here. So holes concentration in p-type semiconductor is greater than electron concentration in p-type semiconductor. So due to presence of extra hole, electrons have more transitions which will increase the current. That's why it is said to be positive type semiconductor. This extra hole type semiconductor. Extra hole कुठे create होतो? Just above the conduction band. Extra hole created, it is said to be just above the conduction band. Okay? So here we can stop. Tomorrow we can see how this p-type semiconductor and n-type semiconductor are connected together to produce one p-n junction diode. And पुढे हे झालं in a science, day by day p-type semiconductors, n-type semiconductor with different properties combined together, they will produce a device which is applicable in electronics field. That device is said to be p-n junction diode. And हाच diode solar cell LED मध्ये यूज केला जातो. इथून पुढे आपला आता ॲक्च्युअल चॅप्टर स्टार्ट होणार आहे फ्रॉम द पी-एन जंक्शन डायोड. सो बिफोर दॅट वी हॅड अ डिस्कशन ऑन n-type semiconductor and p-type semiconductor. दिस इज द सर्किट डायग्राम ऑफ, तुम्ही बुकमध्ये बघू शकता, याच्यावरती डिटेलमध्ये दिलेलं आहे. फक्त काय व्होल्टेज अप्लाय केल्यानंतर इलेक्ट्रॉन जम्प फ्रॉम राईट टू लेफ्ट, इलेक्ट्रॉन जम्प फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राईट अँड होल्स जम्प फ्रॉम राईट टू लेफ्ट. सो होल कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑलरेडी इज ग्रेटर. When voltage applied, concentration of hole will increase. जेवढे इलेक्ट्रॉन तेवढेच होल्स, पण इथे एक्स्ट्रा होल ऑलरेडी प्रेझेंट आहे, म्हणून काय नंबर ऑफ होल्स ग्रेटर दॅन नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन द p-type semiconductor. Okay, so we can stop here.